in a search that has continued for centuries. Some far distant view, with its promise of the unseen and its promise of the unknown, has forever fathered the impulse to seek for new things in new places, new horizons. In a future which can be whatever we propose to make it, engineers are always leading us higher, widening the trails into new fields of research as we go on, determined to unfold the constantly greater possibilities of the world of tomorrow, as we move more and more rapidly forward in the great American way.